In this video, we'll show you how you can get and use CapCut templates. These templates are going to help you create professional-looking videos with just a few clicks, and I'll show you 2 different ways on how you can get these templates for free. So the first way on how we can find high-quality CapCut templates is by simply opening our web browser. Go over to google.com and then type CapCut templates in the search bar. I forgot to mention that this will work for both iPhone and Android devices, and it doesn't matter which browser you use. So once you get these search results, you can open any of these websites, because all of these have cool CapCut templates, but the one which I personally recommend is the official CapCut website, which is this website right here. I will leave this specific site link in the video description down below, so you can open the right website. So you can click on this to open it, but if it redirects you and opens the CapCut application, then go back, long press on this link, and then open it in a new tab. By doing this, it won't open the CapCut application, and it will open the website just like this. You can scroll and view different CapCut templates, and when you do find a template which you like, just tap on it. Open in CapCut. You will then get a little preview on how the template looks like. So if you want to use it for your projects, just tap on this Use Template button right here. That's going to open your photo gallery where you want to select the photo or video which you want to use with this template. The last step is to preview your finished project. So if you're happy with it, just tap on the Export button at the top right in order to save this video to your photo gallery or share it to TikTok directly. That's the first way on how you can easily find CapCut templates. Another method on how we can get and use templates is by using the TikTok application. You probably have the TikTok app installed on your device. So what you can do is to open the app and then click on this little magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen in order to open the search bar. Type CapCut templates, and this will give you a bunch of different TikTok videos that have the CapCut templates applied to them. When you find a video and a template which you like, open that video, and then you'll see this little CapCut. Try this template option, which you want to click on. Then, select the Use Template in CapCut. Wait a couple of seconds until this specific template imports into the CapCut editing app, and then you can repeat the steps from the first method. You'll get a preview, and if you do decide to use the template, just click on the button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, your photo gallery will open, where you want to select the photos or videos for your template and for your video project. And if you do like how your video turns out, simply tap the Export button at the top right corner and save the video to your camera roll or share it to TikTok. And those are the 2 effective methods on how you can find and use CapCut templates, everyone. If you have any other suggestions or questions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you soon.